Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Jeff here at 162 Projects. Today's project, dealing with the check engine light came on. I ran the test on it. Came up to be a PO101 mass air sensor issue there. Probably dirty. And before I get too far along, I want to apologize for any of the side noises like the wild roosters, neighbors, car traffic going over the main road there. Sometimes you get a hot rodder coming by and just making a lot of noise. Regardless, we're going to work on this mass air sensor, and I'll just take you along for the ride. Come along. Alright, so let's start off with taking the air filter off. Okay. That's loose. I got hose clamps. I already took them off. There we go. Alright. Oh yeah. All kinds of noises. I apologize. So yeah, you can see it's dirty. Watch it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but you can see everywhere I wipe and there's a lot of dirt going on. Alright, we got that apart. Next we'd get this unit off, and it looks like a little clip right here. Pull it off. There's the mass air cleaner sensor. Let's go clean it. Okay, reassemble time. Time to reassemble. This black section goes in first. You want the screen facing the filter. Look at that. There we go. There we go. And put the clamp back on. There we go. That goes in there. We're in between those two. This goes down here. Where'd that one go? There it is. It goes down there. Last bolt. Cool. All right. Well, there you go. Pretty simple project, real easy. I did tinker around a little bit, so it took about an hour for me. You're supposed to let that stuff, that mass air cleaner stuff dry for an hour. I took an air torch to it, blew it a little bit, helped it out, because I was running out of daylight time. But there's another project. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hitting like, subscribe, and commenting. And see you on the next one.